Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cash out from Coinbase, basically withdraw to your bank account. So if you're in the browser, guys, what you're going to do is you're going to select My Assets right here, click on My Assets, and then you will see your different assets listed. And then guys, what you're going to do is click on Cash right here. And then guys, you'll see a bunch of different options pop up right here. You want to click on Withdraw Cash, all right? And now guys, here you want to enter the amount you actually wish to transfer to, and you want to choose the destination. Come here and choose your bank account and just select preview and just click on withdraw cash now. And if you're in the mobile app, guys, you want to do is come here and click on transfer, and then you want to come here and click on withdraw cash, enter the amount you actually wish to withdraw. You can also select on withdraw the maximum amount to withdraw your full balance, and then you want to confirm the selection for withdraw and transfer to, and then just select preview. So you withdraw from your account to maybe your PayPal or your bank account. You can change that, and then you just want to come here and click on withdraw cash now. So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.